Hi everyone and welcome. Today is a very big day for me. I started my long form video on this channel and this is my first voiceover. Up until now, I have only shared shorts, but I want to grow this channel with more purpose. My goal is to become a full time artist one day, even though I don't have any idea about what kind of artist I want to be. I'm still exploring. I plan to put out a long form video like this once every week to share my learnings with you all. So please excuse any silly mistakes I make. I'm nervous, but I'm doing this because I want to grow and I want us to grow together. So let's move into the video. Let's look back. This is my very first painting. To be honest, it was a mess. There was no sense of layering, no water control, and the colors were just everywhere. But when I finished it, I was actually proud of myself. I had no knowledge of watercolor at that time, but I chose to just start. I thought I will learn by doing, not just by watching tutorials. I wanted to learn by making mistakes. Now look at my 16th painting. You can see the difference so clearly, right? It has layers, it has depth, and the color theory is much better. Looking back, I realized I have come a long way. Still, I'm not the best or perfect watercolor artist, but I have grown. I want to show you the mistakes and the right decisions I made over these 60 paintings so you don't have to make the same mistakes that I did. Number 1. Patience is the key. The first thing I learned is that patience is very important. When I add watercolor to my page, I used to have no patience at all. That was my biggest mistake. I would not wait until the first layer dried completely. What happened was, I would keep adding watercolor and the color would just come up with the brush. You can see that happening in a lot of my paintings. Those white spots because I didn't let it dry. You need patience for painting, especially with watercolors. You have to be very patient. You have to let it dry first and let it flow freely. You shouldn't keep adding water and colors just because you don't see the results you want immediately. Keep it in mind always. Be patient, not only in painting but also in your life. Number 2. The importance of the basics. My second mistake was going straightly into painting without any foundation. I think I should have watched one or two basic watercolor tutorials before starting. We learn a lot by practice, but a little guidance and a little theory will improve your paintings much more. Think about it, a person doing something without knowing anything versus a person doing it with some knowledge. The second one will be a lot better. If you are starting something, just learn a few basic things first. Learn the basics and then continue your practice. Number 3. Practice without critics is no improvement at all. Look at my paintings. You can see the consequences of my mistakes again and again. I kept getting references from Pinterest and I just painted without getting any feedback. I did 60 paintings, but I didn't have a professional eye to tell me what was wrong. I realized I couldn't spend much money on a professional mentor yet. So, what I did was After the 16th paintings, I took a photo of my painting and uploaded it to AI. It can be Gemini, ChatGPT, anything. To improve our art skills, we can use these benefits. I asked AI to give me an honest art review, honest feedback on how to improve and what to learn, what are the things I have to focus. It taught me things and helped me see what I should learn to get better. So, if you are a beginner, you are practicing anything, any kind of art, just take a picture and put it to the AI and ask what should you improve. So, it will really save you money and time. Number 4, you don't have to limit yourself. I learned that I don't have to stick just to watercolor. Even as I learn watercolor, I can still use other mediums to increase the beauty of my work. I can use fine liners for outlines, like in these paintings, or pencil colors in the eyes, like in this painting, to give more clarity to bring out the beauty of the painting. So, you don't have to do what others are doing. Don't limit yourself by looking at someone else. As an artist, you have limitless freedom. You have the freedom to do what you want to do. It should not be the same as everyone else. So that's the beauty of being an artist, right? Let's move on. Number 5, consistency doesn't mean daily. I started this challenge around September 2025. I should have finished this challenge before December 2025, but I couldn't. It's going to take me another 2 months. But I'm proud. Even though I got distracted and took breaks for 2 or 3 weeks, I came back. I started painting again and again. Consistency is about not giving up even if you take a break. It's not just painting. I have to record, edit, manage this channel. It's not easy as a being a content creator, but I'm proud. Okay, so you have to do something daily to be consistent. It's about doing it frequently, coming back again and again, and starting again. Okay, so don't give up if you miss 1 or 2 days. Okay, just come back, do it again and again. So those are the 5 lessons I learned. I hope you learned something from this. Please excuse any mistakes in my voice or in the things I said. Please give your feedbacks, your thoughts in the comments. I will keep recording my learnings here. My goal is to become a full-time artist, and even if I don't exactly know what kind of artist I want to be yet, I will keep exploring. So if you want to join me, please subscribe. I need your support. Please comment, say hello. We can become friends. I will subscribe to your channel if you are a beginner artist content creator. We have to grow. We have to grow together. Let's support each other. Until next time, this is goodbye.